Hey, I'm Kanchan Khatri. I'm a blockchain developer. What exactly is blockchain? Decentralized applications. Now, I'm here to help you and share with you everything that I've learned, tried, and executed successfully.
The Bitcoin Talks.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bitcoin Talks. Today I'm going to tell you what is blockchain. Everyone says that blockchain is decentralized, distributed, and peer-to-peer. But what does that mean? This definition seems complicated. So let's get into the basic detail in the simplest manner. Blockchain, consider it as a chain of blocks, and these blocks are like container, and these container contain some information, and these informations are encrypted data. This is known as transaction. So each block contains a set of transaction, and when these blocks are joined together they forms a chain. That's why the name is blockchain. Now people say it is decentralized, distributed, and peer-to-peer. But what does that mean? What does decentralized means? What does distributed means? And what does peer-to-peer mean? Peer-to-peer is simple. Like if I want to call my friend, say Ram, I can directly call him. That means it is peer-to-peer. Ram can call Sham. This is peer-to-peer. Like I can talk to anyone directly. I don't need a third party, right? So this is peer-to-peer. Now what is decentralized? Consider I have these pages. Okay, now these pages contains a lot of information and I have to take care of this information. So I am in charge of it. I may lose it somewhere. I may burn these paper. I may do all scribbling and change the data. That means I have the authority of all these data. I have to take care. Now imagine if your data is kept with me, but it is in the form of, it is in my computer. Then you will say that if you are going to destroy your data, then why we will give you this data? That's wise question, but this is an example I am giving to make you understand what is decentralized. Okay, so imagine like you have data and you have given that data to me and it is stored in my computer. Imagine that some virus attacked my system, so your data will be gone. Imagine like my system is not working, so and if you want to have access to that data, so how will you do that? So that means your data is kept with some central authority, and that central authority has too much privilege to use your data. Like, have you heard a scenario where Supreme Court and Government of India banned so many apps last year because our data was leaked to Chinese government where they could make use of our data? That's the reason these things were centralized and we told that we need to ban these apps. So that means it was too centralized. So blockchain is here to make things decentralized. That means I can store my data and I can also access everything anywhere. Because what happened on these apps and websites or Android applications or iOS application, we used to submit our data and then only we were able to make use of these applications. But now what happens on blockchain, that the applications and websites are there, but we even share our data, but that data is encrypted and these data are kept with us. And once these is encrypted, so it's very hard for anyone to decrypt this data. So that means we are decentralizing the storage system of our data. That's how we can say that it is decentralized. And distributed, it is present everywhere. Even if you have a node of your blockchain, nodes are basically the computer systems, and these nodes can be seen as a computer system which are connected, and these connected system runs the blockchain, and these system has the data of all the block, and these block, as I explained, has some set of transactions, and these transactions are the activities you perform on your applications or website. That means blockchain is decentralized, distributed, and peer-to-peer. I hope you understood what is blockchain, and if you have any queries, you can write down in comment section. Bye. See you in the next video, and please do like, share and subscribe the Bitcoin Talks.